Welcome back, my YouTube channel Coins ZF. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the 1982 Lincoln Penny coin, surrounded by mystery, variety, and surprising value. Some say it's worth millions of dollars, but what's the real story? Stay tuned as we explore every detail, rare varieties, errors, mint marks, and how to find potentially valuable 1982 pennies in your own collection. The 1982 Lincoln Penny is unique because it was a transition year. The U.S. Mint switched from a mostly copper composition to copper-plated zinc. This change was due to rising copper prices. Early 1982 pennies are 95% copper. Later ones are mostly zinc with a thin copper coating. The year saw an unprecedented number of penny varieties, 8 variants, including different compositions and date sizes: large date and small date Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco mints all contributed, with distinct mint marks or none. Philadelphia, no mint mark. This transition resulted in collectible differences in weight: 3.11 grams for copper versus 2.5 grams for zinc pennies. The main 1982 varieties: large date copper, mostly circulation pennies early in the year. Small date copper, rarer, more valuable large date zinc. Small date zinc, introduced later in 1982. D for Denver is 4 San Francisco proof coins and no mint mark for Philadelphia. San Francisco coins were mostly proofs for collectors. Philadelphia and Denver produced most circulation coins. The small date variety, especially in copper, can be worth significantly more depending on condition. Sometimes $90 to over $100 for error. High-grade coins. Examples of rare finds include small date copper pennies from Denver, recently documented to fetch thousands of dollars in top grades. Circulated 1982 pennies, usually worth face value to about 50 cents for common types. Uncirculated copper pennies typically range from about $6 to $15, with some high-grade specimens fetching $100 or more. Rare error coins, like partially unplated planchets or misstrikes, can fetch hundreds or maybe low thousands of dollars. A 1982 penny worth millions is a myth. No verified sales exist for such astronomical amounts. $20 million. Proof coins from San Francisco, typically valued around $3 to $10 depending on grade, with a few extraordinary PR70 graded coins selling for a few thousand. Factors that increase value: metal composition, copper versus zinc, date size, small date more valuable, mint mark, condition, grading from circulated to mint state, and rare errors. Steps to differentiate copper and zinc pennies: use a precise scale. Copper weighs 3.11 g, zinc 2.5 g. How to spot large date versus small date using reference images: look for mint marks under a loupe or magnifier. Condition grading basics from good, worn, to mint state, uncirculated. High mint state grades dramatically increase value. Tips for detecting errors like double strikes or plating issues. Importance of professional grading services for high-value coins. Highlight a few high-profile sales of 1982 Lincoln Penny sold for thousands, such as the 1982 D small date bronze variant. Share stories from collectors who found valuable 1982 pennies in circulation or collections. Clarify that while impressive, these sales don't come close to millions. Discuss the rarity and collector demand for specific error coins and high-grade examples. Address the false claim that 1982 pennies are worth millions. No verified market sales support this. Warning about online scams selling fake ultra-valuable pennies. Remind viewers to research, consult experts, and avoid impulse purchases. Best places to hunt for valuable 1982 pennies. Coin rolls, old collections, estate sales. Encourage viewers to check coin dealers or have suspicious coins authenticated. Advice on safe storage and preservation to maintain coin value. Thanks for watching Coin ZF. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more coin collecting insights. Drop a comment if you've ever found a rare penny or want us to check your coins. Stay tuned for more exciting coin stories and hidden treasures.